In July 2025, a poet named Talisha Jones did something that quietly changed everything. She didn't sing, she didn't play an instrument, she wrote poems, fed them into an AI music tool called Suno, and turned them into songs under the artist name Zania Monet. A few months later, she signed a $3 million record deal with Hallwood Media. $3 million. Now, I'm not promising you 3 million, but I am going to show you, step by step, exactly how regular women just like you and me are creating music with a few clicks and earning real royalties from Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music every single month while they sleep. And you don't need to sing a note. Stay with me until the end, because I'll tell you the one mistake that gets 97% of beginners' songs deleted before anyone ever hears them. Hi friend, I'm Linda, and welcome back to the channel. If we're just meeting, I'm so glad you're here. This channel is all about helping women in our season of life build real income online, without the tech overwhelm, without the hype, and without pretending everything is easy. Today, we're talking about something genuinely exciting. Making money by creating AI music with Suno and uploading it to streaming platforms for royalties. Grab your coffee, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a complete, honest roadmap. Here's why this opportunity is real. Suno is an AI platform that turns a simple text description, like a gentle acoustic lullaby about grandchildren, into a full produced song with vocals in under a minute. It launched in 2023, and its newest model, version 5.5, released in March 2026, produces music that sounds shockingly close to studio quality. At the same time, streaming platforms pay royalties every single time someone listens to your song. Spotify pays roughly 0.3 cent to 0.5 cent per stream in 2026. That sounds tiny, and it is, but a song that racks up 100,000 streams can earn you $300 to $500. And once it's up there, it keeps earning. Forever. That's the magic word, passive. Step 1. Get the right Suno plan. This is the very first thing most beginners get wrong. Suno has 3 tiers: Free, Pro, and Premier. If you use the free plan, Suno owns your songs. You cannot legally sell them, and you cannot collect royalties. To make money, you must be on a paid plan. Pro is about $10 a month, and Premier is about $30 a month. Both give you commercial use rights on any song you create while subscribed. One important update: starting September 3rd, 2026, Suno capped Pro subscribers at 20 song downloads a month and Premier at 60. So if you're serious about building a catalogue, Premier is the smarter pick. Think of that $30 as your entire recording studio, band and producer for less than dinner out. Step 2. Pick one niche and stick to it. This is where most people fail, and I want you to hear me on this. Do not try to make pop hits. You will not outcompete Taylor Swift, and Spotify's algorithm won't even show your song. Instead, choose a niche, mood-based genre, music people search for by feeling, not by artist name. Some proven winners in 2026 include sleep and meditation music, lo-fi study beats, peaceful piano for anxiety, Christian worship instrumentals, nature and rain sounds with soft music, and country ballads for road trips. Pick one, just one. Fall in love with it. Learn what the top playlists in that niche sound like, and create music that fits right in beside them. This is your artist identity now. Step 3. Create your song in Suno. Once you're logged in, you have 2 modes. Simple mode, where you type a description like calming solo piano for deep sleep, 60 beats per minute, no drums. Or custom mode, where you write or paste your own lyrics and choose a style. Here's my beginner tip. Write your own lyrics whenever possible. This matters legally. In the United States, music made 100% by AI cannot be copyrighted, because copyright protects human creativity. But if you wrote the lyrics, that human element strengthens your ownership claim. Generate 5 or 6 versions. Listen critically. Pick the one that gives you goosebumps. Then, if you're on Premiere, use the stem separation and advanced edit tools to fine-tune it. Rename the file with a real song title, not suno_generation_47.mp3. Metadata matters. Step 4. Clean up your track. Okay, here's the mistake I mentioned at the start. Do not upload the raw file straight from Suno to Spotify. In 2026, streaming platforms use AI detection systems. Deezer's system catches raw Suno tracks with 99% accuracy. Spotify has already removed over 75 million AI-generated tracks since 2024. If you just click download and upload, your song will likely be flagged, muted, or deleted, and repeat offenses can get your entire distributor account shut down. The fix is simple. Run your song through a free audio editor like Audacity or BandLab. Add a tiny bit of EQ, a light compressor, maybe a subtle reverb. Export it as a fresh WAV file at 16-bit, 44.1 kHz. This alone dramatically reduces the AI fingerprint the detectors look for. And when you upload, you must honestly disclose AI use. DistroKid has a dedicated AI credits section. Lying about it violates their terms. Being transparent keeps you in business. Step 5. Distribute and collect royalties. You cannot upload directly to Spotify. You need a music distributor. There are 3 trusted options. DistroKid is about $23 a year for unlimited uploads. It's the most AI-friendly and my top pick for beginners. TuneCore is about $25 a year, unlimited releases, no commission. CD Baby has no yearly fee, but takes 9% of your royalties. Sign up for DistroKid, click Upload, and you'll enter your song title, your artist name, the release date, and the genre. Upload a piece of cover art. You can make a beautiful one for free in Canva in about 10 minutes. Fill out the AI credits honestly. Hit submit. In about 2 to 7 days, your song will go live on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Tidal, Pandora, and over 150 other platforms worldwide. Then, every month, DistroKid will deposit your royalties into your PayPal or bank account. Small at first, but then you upload song number 2, number 3, number 10, number 50. That's how a catalogue is built. Now let's be real with each other, because I promised honesty. Your first song will probably earn you pennies, maybe nothing. The women who are making $100, $500, $1,000 a month with this strategy have catalogues of 30, 50, sometimes 200 songs, all in the same niche, uploaded consistently over 6 to 12 months. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a build-a-real asset scheme. Every song is a tiny digital rental property that pays you rent forever. I want to leave you with the single most important piece of advice I can give. Tomorrow, YouTube will show you a video about print on demand. The day after, faceless YouTube automation. Then Etsy digital downloads. Then. Ignore all of it. The women who actually make money online are the ones who pick one lane and stay in it for at least 90 days. So if AI music lights you up, if you feel that little flutter of excitement right now, this is your lane. Get the Suno subscription today. Create your first song this weekend. Upload it to DistroKid next week. Learn, implement, adjust, and repeat. Progress, not perfection. That's the whole game. If this video gave you clarity or a spark of hope, do me one small favor. Smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach other women who need to hear this. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and ring the bell, because I release a new practical no-hype video every week. I'll see you in the next one. You've got this.